Hello, good morning. Today the market is going to be flattish in spite of Nasdaq has given significant uptrend. So why it is today it's expiry. So our market will behave in our own fashion so that experienced traders would be knowing it. So this is for the budding traders and the investors who are new. So in fact Nasdaq was showing strength to strength yesterday. So this is how the pattern is. But we have to, as usual, look into the Nikkei one. So it's not that look into all the Asian stack and get ourselves confused. So just follow a strategy where you follow the best one or else the strongest one, which has to be followed. So it's in the downtrend. So as we told, so the market is flattish or it may be starting in the down and may pick up. But our own trend will emerge around 11:30, 12:30, 1:30. So this is the base. Based on that, we will be going into the calls today. Okay. So with this straight, we'll go much more detailed. So if you like it, please do this, and then we'll not spend much time here. So this is a disclaimer, and these are the products. Please have a look. So this SIP things and all we will be discussing in detail. You can touch base with us. And this is in numbers why the market is going to be flattish. And this is the like the first slide, but we are bringing it in the last slide, and also the investment in a ulta way. So, but based on the flow. Okay. So here today, what special is today is going to be expiry. So we are not giving the trading calls, but we are giving the trading calls in futures and options, not in the stocks today. Usually we give it in the stock, and as usual we'll continue this investment. So we don't want our investment or trading calls or pre-market, post-market to die within one day. So we want our customers, public, to even watch it at some point later. It should be useful to them. So that is the main aim of it. So with that, so here what's special today is one futures call, and futures call we can give it early. So somewhere around 11:30 to 1:30 it will come, and 0 to hero it will be, and please don't buy it this week expiry, buy the next week. Somewhere around the investment will be like if it is Nifty, somewhere 10 rupees to 30-40 rupees will be the value of it, the purchase, and in money terms it will be somewhere between 500 to 1500. The same thing will be applying in money terms to the bank Nifty. Any one thing it will be coming. Please, the Twitter link is in the bottom. Please have a look around that time, so you will get it. I think probably you will be like 70% you will be making money. And today is the story which is for 5 to 20 years. So you can look at it. This is story, you have the numbers here. So it has given 20x result, and I told a big story in Tamil also. So you can have a look in that one also. So 20x, and these kind of phenomenal returns have been generated in few companies in Indian stock market, and this is one of them. The famous one everybody knows is the Infosys, so on and so forth. But this few people know it. So how this story emerged is actually HDFC was the first came up into the market, and then in fact HDFC kid was the HDFC bank. Now the kid has become bigger, and then it has taken the father's bank. So that is the news here. So the HDFC is going to be absorbed, and this absorption itself is going to be giving you a lot of positive effect in you might already be knowing, if you go to HDFC they will be marketing all the insurance products, so on and so forth. So like that is one thing, like you can see it positive or negative, but in terms of investment and business perspective for seeing a potential customers, so this is going to be a big thing. So they have the kind of same frequency they will get into. So it will not be an internal competition between HDFC and HDFC Bank. So I think the employees within there, they will be working in much more aligned frequency. So there will be not there will be a competition, but there will be not a company to company, sister company internal competition. So everybody can work with aligned frequency and with the top management such that they can bring in more sales. So the customers, yeah. So if you want the product, you have to buy it. So as we told many times, insurance companies will sell the product which they have the higher margin, but you have to do your research to find out which is good for you. In fact, like 10,000 rupees if you pay, it's not that you get insurance, like somebody dies they get 2-3 lakhs. It should be pure term insurance. That's why and we'll put a detailed video. In fact, in Tamil we have put like 3-4 videos below, but then Tamil viewers can go and watch 10,000 you pay, how much insurance you should get? Like you should get 1 crore. Okay, so that is a pure term insurance. Rest all is jumbled kind of a thing. Like they will say that it's kind of a biryani which is being sold, but it's actually a khichdi. So it's a in kind of a win-win, like where the customer wins something like only 10 percentage. The product seller wins 90 percentage. The true life insurance is the term insurance where customer dies after paying 1,000 only every year. So his family will get 1 crore. So, but it's a SIP. But I am speaking in detail about this because this topic is very very important. And these kind of products, this company has got a higher advantage. So that is why I'm saying this kind of like. And one more story, like you let yourself, like you are playing all these 22 matches every day. Let yourself assume like every month you have lost 10,000 rupees. Now you would have been crores and crorepati. So even in the last 10 years, if you have done with, you have been a crorepati. You will be a multi crorepati if you have been last 20 years. So that is the difference between trading and investment. So with another story, another like one day match and a long 20-year story, we'll come up tomorrow. Thank you very much.